LGD transparent OLED panel becomes the floor. Recently, LG Display installed a transparent OLED on the floor of the store, once again demonstrating a new concept display solution. According to Korean media, LGD has applied transparent OLED floor solution to the new flagship store of SM Brand Marketing, a subsidiary of SM Entertainment Group, located in Shangshui-dong, Seoul, South Korea for the first time. It is reported that transparent OLEDs can maximize the advantages of the pixel itself. Transparent OLED with high transparency, thin weight, and light weight. It is enough to replace the traditional glass window and is applicable to various fields such as signage, architecture, mobility, digital art, etc. According to LGD, transparent OLED is used on limited floors to maximize the promotion effect and space utilization efficiency. LGD has set 3355-inch transparent OLEDs on the floor of the store lounge. While displaying the products on CDs and idols, LGD also presents diversified picture effects and product information in the form of holograms.